Okay, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4, Introduction to Software Engineering, Section 5. Our topic is Television Service, E-Billing and Payment System. Today I will show the prototype of our system. First of all, just go to Google Chrome. Okay, here we go to the website. Okay, this is TNV website. Welcome to TNV Wash Like a Boss. So once you go to this website, just click to My eBill login, and you will go to this login page. So now assume that I am Mr. Fatah and I'm the customer who already subscribed to TNV, but I've never used the e-billing service yet. So if I enter my account number, my TNV account number 12345678890, since I don't have password yet because I don't have my e-bill account, so I will just try to click login. Okay, so you can see this error message will be displayed. So what I need to do is to sign up now. Okay, this is the page where a new customer like me can sign up. So I will enter all my details. The account number is 12345678890. So now I will set my password. So I want to use my name, which is Fatah, Fattoh. So let me enter Fattoh. So now we type the password. Now I will click sign up. Okay, this message will be displayed showing I have successfully created my account, my e-bill account. So go to the login page back. Here I will enter my account number. Okay, now I want to try entering a wrong password. I will enter Fazura rather than Fatah. So Fazura. Click login. Okay, now the error message is displayed. My password is invalid, so I need to re-enter the correct one. Fattoh. Just keep me login and again. Okay, once I successfully log in, I can view this billing statement of mine. So this is my name, this is my address, my phone number, this is my correct phone number, and I need to pay RM199.75 before the 1st July of 2017. Okay, so below this I can view the overview of my bill. This one is the previous balance my previous bill, and this is the new charges for this month. And the total is RM199.75. Now I want to try print this out. Use this billing statement. Okay, so this is the PDF file of my billing statement. So I just try to print this out. Okay, so here it is. You can print, or I want to cancel because I don't have printer right now. So just close it, and now if you want to check the account details, okay, this total of RM199.75 and the charges, you want to know more details about these charges, so just click this check account details. Now I can view my account history and details. This is correct, my account number and the bill for this billing period. Now the first line will show the previous balance, which is the previous payment I made for my bill on during May, during the month May. So during this month, I paid on 7th May by using cash, because before this I didn't use e-billing yet. So my balance is 0.00 before this. Now the below details all about this month's charges. For the channels, I watched TNV for you, Showtime, and then I used the equipment service. I watched a movie in TNV Cinema, and this is the activity since my last bill. I got a discount of 15 ringgits and the sales tax that I need to pay for. So the total of this subtotal will become RM199.75. So this is the total amount due for my bill this month. So now I can also print this out. Just click the print button, and this will be the display of my details, the PDF. So I can just click print if I want to print, but okay, this is it. I don't want to print, just cancel and close. Now I will go back to my billing statement, and I want to pay my bill. So click my make payment now. Here I want to choose my payment method by using credit card. Okay, now I want to try entering wrong card number. I want to see what will happen if I enter the wrong card number. So this is just testing. The other details are still correct. Need to make it capital letter. 2020. I want to pay RM199.75 and confirm the payment. So my payment was unsuccessful because I entered the wrong card number. So I will re-enter the details. Just click here. Okay. Now enter the correct one. security code. May 2020. And confirm my payment. Okay, now my payment was successful. I will click next and I will receive my receipt. This is my receipt. There is transaction number and also my account number, the date and the time I make the payment. This is the description. I make the payment for my bill statement that date on 2nd June. Since I paid the total amount of my amount due, my current balance now is 0 ringgit. I can print this as well. This is the PDF file for my receipt and also my current balance. Okay. Now I want to cancel printing, and here I paid and everything is settled. Now I will click log out. So it will redirect to the login page back. So I will just close.